just like magic. I'm attracted. I get everything I want 'cause I attract.
Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick. I'm going to make like a nice little, I don't know, command water. I found this cute bottle at a thrift shop. I have another thrifty witchy haul here on this channel. But this water, yeah, it's in this bottle. This water came from the Christian Witches Convention, and one of the presenters, she casted a spell on this water. It's a command water. So I'm going to pour this inside of this cute bottle. And this was some moon water that I collected on a full moon in concordance with one of my signs, as far as like my big 3 signs. So I'm going to add those elements in here along with the crystals and along with this water that I had to fly from New Orleans all the way back to Virginia. I will add that in here. I'm going to add a few drops of this sun oil from Crescent City Conjure. I'm using this oil for self-confidence, magnetism, boldness, being unapologetic about my strength and about this new path that I'm embarking on. Here you can see I have a petition, and I got this tip from 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒕. She says when you get like one of your oils, and she sells really good oils too. I have a bottle of one of her oils that she gifted Christian witches at the Christian Witches Convention. So, you know, check out her channel, and her information is so spot on. But she gave us that tip about writing a petition to add to your oil when you get a oil. I'm going to, you know, mix it around, let it sit on my altar, and add like a charm. I may even add a sigil or something on like the bottom or in the front of this bath water. I'm going to use it for a bath, maybe even using it for washing my hands before like doing any rituals. Yeah, so if you want to do that, you could even, taking a note from 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒕, add like a petition inside of the water and see how that, you know, goes. Oh my gosh, this water smells so good. In conjunction with the sun oil and the ingredients that she had inside of the command water and the little bit of moon water that I had in there with the crystals, it smells so good. And I like the way how it looks. It feels really good. I know I have some amethyst, can't really see, crystal quartz, clear crystal quartz, and I think aquamarine. I know that the herbs in here, we have some rose petals. I think it was maybe some rosemary. I can't really tell what the other herbs are inside of here, but I plan on adding some more of my own when I go to take my spiritual bath. The great thing about having the spiritual water for your spiritual bath, you do not have to sit down for your spiritual bath. You could take a little bit of this water into a shower, and you could pour it over top of yourself, or either if you want to just wash your hands, cleanse your hands, or command your hands, or whatever the water may be for, before you cast a spell or go into a ritual, you can utilize the spiritual water. And I used these 2 keys in a ritual, a candle ritual, when I returned back to Virginia. I plan on either using one of these keys inside of the bottle or either on the outside, like a charm, along with a couple other charms. But the great thing about keys is that they represent either opening a door or locking a door. I have a short video that I will have listed in the description box about keys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget my latest book, The Bible's Hidden Divination and Magic, available on Etsy, Amazon, TikTok, and Instagram. Pre-order my upcoming book, The Sacred Grail, Women and Goddesses of the Bible. I will talk to you guys later. Many blessings. Peace.